wide by the Hellcat. Where's CT4? 5.7. You see that? That's 5.7. He gonna hit that bitch. He gonna hit that bitch.
You better not even see the motherfucker sitting right there.
Oh yeah, that's that grenade. He better not do it. He finna do it lunch. He better not do it. Oh,
do it.
He better not do it. He finna do it.
Do it.
It's too late.
No.
It's too late. Don't tell him that. They gonna pull over right now. He gonna get pulled over right now.
Oh no, he ain't go fast enough to get pulled over. It's just
no, he can still get pulled over because
still a burnout.
they always said, like the police already said, son. That's why they keep patrolling. You see the helicopter keep going in circles? Let's go. They go raptor. So look, they keep going in circles. They're trying to get something on documents.
Go eat something, drink some liquids.
See, look.
Okay, sir. It's a car meet, man.
It's a car meet.
Weird.
It's a hard, it's like a wide body. Woo! I think you was on the Explore page before.
Yeah.
You did hit the Explore page, that's junk hard. Look at this junk. This matte black. This matte black or satin black. I can ask that matte black or satin black?
Satin black.
I thought so. This junk hard. You got a little wet to it. I told you that's satin. This junk is so hard. This junk hard. Have you ever seen a 5.7 shaker?
No, no.
Yeah, that shit crazy. They come in 5.7 and 6.4.
My brother graduated high school. He's buying a beachfront property. He wants out. My dad wants out of Atlanta, bro. He's tired of that shit. Bro, he moved 18.
All right, bro. Alright, bro. You know that if they got the helicopter, they got some more hidden somewhere.
Oh yeah. They gonna man, they gonna be leeching everywhere. They know all these cars at. Oh, I know this fool, bro. His ass be cutting up at that car meet, man. This fool right here cut up every time, bro, without failure, bro.
He J got the rap.
Bro, that shit hard as fuck.
He J got the rap.
He was so close too, bro. He almost made it.
That's what I'm saying. See what happened when the police just hate?
Fucking took long enough for him to goddamn tow it.
Infinity. Yeah. Right there. I saw it. Hey, good. I should have just shut the fuck up. Too cold to try to run now.
No, don't floor it, big dog.
don't do it. They don't go.
He didn't really do it. He just tapped it a little bit.
Got the
What's up, man? Yeah, we're good.
She got a GT. She got a GT wing
All right, bye.
on the Eco booth. About your boyfriend.
Nervous out there, did it first.
Where they dance?
We're hot in the turn.
Where they dance?
Just say I heard it. Whoa.
Oh, they jump pro charge.
You done, hopefully?
Yeah.
More or less, yeah.
You pro charge, you heard?
Get down. Oh, I heard that shit.
You pro charge.
I saw that.
Ooh, he tuned.
I wish I recorded
He tuned.
that. I wish I recorded that.
He tuned.
Hey, watch out,
This
bro.
is-
PD both ways, man.
Huh? No, I don't think so. There you go. No problem. Appreciate it. I'm gonna follow
watch
you
out.
back.
Hey, watch out for police, man. They both ways, bro. 10 and 2, drive like you
There's a
great.
5.7. There's a 5.7.
Drive like your grandma in the car, man. Until you get that highway, then you can rip it again.
Ooh.
Oh, shit.
That's a pro charge. U-turn.
Oh, don't do it.
Look at him.
Don't do it.
Hating. They hating. They hating. They hating. They hating, bro. We can't stand no chance. We can't go nowhere without police coming.
That nigga wave. I got that on video,
He
too.
wave?
Yes, bro, look.
06. Ooh. But these the vet people.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my. Look at this. Ooh, you see that, bro?
Oh, yeah, we
They got
had
06 and they got a C8 in the back.
Oh, yeah, we outside now, man. Look at all this shit, y'all.
Appreciate it. Listen to that tail. Listen to that tail. Woo, look at that C06. This is a Grand Sport. This is a Grand Sport. Woo. I told you that's a Grand Sport. Look at that.
I thought that was Trey.
Another Z06. Look at this C8. It's a hard. Look at the scrapes on it. Oh, them carbon. Yeah, that carbon.
Hey.
Woo!
I'm going to the left. Oh, y'all trying to go straight.
Woo! Look at this C8 though.
Down. Same thing. I got 52.
My bad. Oh, they jump hard. They jump carbon fiber in and out.
Look to him.
There's no race bucket seats.
He got the race bucket seats with the carbon fiber on the back.
That's good work reduction.
No doubt. That shit geek.
They called that?
Nah, this the one like. What is it? Where you at? What? Like, what's the modern? What's the shit called again? 65. Yeah, that. Black thing.
Supercharged LT4. All in the headline and
You ever think about changing your intake out?
I'm about to do a lot of work. Yeah. It's coming. I got my boy his full both arms right now. Edit everything. So about to the tune and dyno is good. So
Could that
about 750.
could that stock intake sound like a upgraded intake? Cause remember that night?
Oh yeah.
This don't sound good. What's up, boy? What a good sign. They go 2SS. That John nasty. What's up, boy? Oh, look at that Hellcat. One hit that one. Yeah, boy. Look at that Jaguar. Ooh. Look at that Jaguar. They're foreign right now. Ooh, he dropped the top. He dropped the top. That boy flexing. You want to show that red hair? Let me hit that 2-minute turbo. Oh, this is the SM motherfucker. Damn.
Everybody watch out!
Nigga, that's fucked up.
Jam popcorn. Don't rip shit.
He made. Yeah. That's not good.
Alright, hit that motherfucker when you leave. Hey, take that with you when you leave. Gotta take both with you.
What's that 392 thing? Oh, that's 345. My bad, y'all. Got another 345. I like the red seats. What's up, man?
Good plan.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna hop out in just a second.
All right, bet. That G8. That jet was hard.
It's identical on it. It's the, like everything under the hood, you pop the hood on the R, that's just the same. But you get the S, it came with the trim on the paddle shifters, the starter, and a couple other like the active exhaust toggle. But all you got to do is change the tune with the computer. You just plug it into the computer. That's the only difference. So you save $20,000 getting the S, the F-Type V8S over the V8R, just by hooking it up to your computer.
I think I remember this Hellcat. There it is, Infinity.
Hey, I need you back here because everybody got crash out.
I'm on the way.
All right, I'm just letting you know.
Well, that's a hard. Got a 5.7. Nah, this is a V6. Wide body scat.
No shit on the property.
Now you got a 5.7. Listen to that cam. That don't sound good as hell. You get a 5.7. What's up? Ooh, look at that Genesis. That's all hard. That's that V8. That's your V6. Oh, look at it, slime green. Look at that slime green, that's all hard. Oh, he's spinning. He's spinning. Ripping. That's all hard. That slime green hard. She got a Beamer. Oh, she D-bastard. Got another Beamer. I wonder what series this is. I don't know, that's the SRT Jeep or a Trackhawk. It look like an SRT Jeep. Got the Bimbros. That's on. He just something about that black will go all the way hard on cap. This is Scred. It's on hard. Another zero one. Oh, you on the top too? Crazy. can't wait to get it. I think this said jailbreak. Yep, this is jailbreak. Her exhaust sound way different.
Hey, bro, don't tell them do nothing stupid, bro. We ain't doing none of that stupid shit. We ain't doing none of that stupid shit. Just tell them pull out now. Nigga, we try to get our ass fucked up, man. Hey, let's shut it out behind. Let's shut it out behind. Let's shut it out behind.
All right, boy.
You say, man.
All right, you too. Her diffuser coming out. You see that too? What's up, man? That's a radar. Crazy. Now this is a regular Hellcat. Regular wide body Hellcat. Where's CT4? Another Hellcat. Ooh, he got that joint detailed. Ooh. Alright, Camakat. What's going on?
Shit, nah,
Hey, what's this for the YouTube?
Hell yeah. Hey, man, we see all the toys out, man. Big babies, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go subscribe my YouTube and go fuck with me on the ground. 1K.J.
Hey, pick it up. Appreciate that.
Yeah, I bet for shit show.
They got a wide body, scat pack. Got Kufu. You got another wide body. Nah, this is slim body cat. You got Kufu. Yo, what's up, Kufu?
What's going on, bro? How you doing?
Doing good. Hey, I'll be in everyone.
See that, man? Get that content.
Oh, yeah, for sure. What is that gonna need those? Ooh, they got the white T-Rex right there. Just listen to that. Big T-Rex. Not a regular, got a dinosaur. I'm in the streets with the trees in the background. He's like a real nice picture to get to. Now I'm trying to hurry up and get it before I get a picture. Oh yeah, this gonna be hard. This picture's gonna be hard. Watch out, watch out. Like, you see how the junk look in the background? Gotta get it right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you went that way. Got an LT1 right here. Got the scat pad. Oh, that's a hard.
Hey, hit that bitch.
They can't do it. That's a 6-speed. That's a 6-speed.
Balance, I'm saying.
That's a female. Oh, this I can't stop. This I can't stop. And it's a stick. Oh, he got the curtains in there. He presidential. He presidential.
Make it do it on.
Oh, it says this the 50th edition.
Make it do some.
Look at that Audi right here. It's like an S6 probably. This is an S6 look like.
100.
Oh, this is A7. Ooh, they go to ZL1.
Nah, it's just 20 bucks. I was just fine. Oh my god, that's it.
Hey, you need, man, this ZL1 sound like it ain't even stop. I told you. He did a zero turn real quick. I ain't even hear him.
They just teasing.
Oh, here, both on. That's the M50. That can need to catch my breath. Damn. 6.2.
Yeah, I heard that shit. That shit's funny.
He didn't hit the gas before he went sideways. They go D-Bash wide by the way. I'll say it's D-Bash cat. Damn, hold on. He need to do it again. All right, bro.
Make it do something. Make it do something.
All right, bet. He get pulled over like that if you have it like they go around that corner. He better cut the. Oh yeah, somebody told him.
You smart.
Yeah,
You smart.
somebody told him.
Make it do something.
Look. Huh?
Make it do something.
Yeah,
Make it
keep
do
it on police on both ends. Yeah, no problem.
Are you giving you time? Mud back there. Come on, make it do something. Make it do something. You got all that mud.
What y'all know about on Genesee though?
You got space for a reason. Make it do something. Make it do something. Make it do something.
Yo, look, just for being here today. This is jailbreak. Well, that don't sound good.
That gotta be a striker. That gotta be a striker.
I want to hear the Hellcat. Oh, this is what I want to hear. That jailbreak. This one I want to hear. Oh my God! Oh my God! And get what? That's a jailbreak too. Not a. Oh, this is a track car. I didn't know it was a track car. The all over straight H. Lunch it.
Hey, spin this shit for granny, man.
Big TRX. Look, they got a CT4. Oh, he wanted to see got down now. Ooh, look at the Hellcat. All the super truck thing coming out. Woo! Woo! Look at Hellcat. Oh.
Come on, hit it.
They got another Hellcat. They got cats on cats on cats. Look, they got a TRX came back. Hold on, I gotta get a picture real quick. All right, Grandpa.
Hey, shit, hell, that got easy though.
All right, you too. Whoa! Big TRX. Hey, look, they're gonna do the track out. That one stopped though. That track out stopped. If you want to watch it, you can go subscribe to my YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes.
Hey, y'all ready to spin this bitch or what, bro?
All right, bro.
All right, bro.
Gotta be trash.
Are you even don't hit the brick.
Oh, you about to throw down. Hey, you better not one wheel.
You better throw down.
Oh, he holding that down. He hold that. He holding that down. And the don't smell good. And the don't smell good. Oh, that's an Ikaboo. You see, look.
I don't care. Yeah, I understand that. It's nothing weird. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, I'm not trying to talk about things. Just all
You make over 1,000 horsepower.